this building here was the Arnold brothers, and they had it as a kipper house, and this that was all open, and you could see all the kippers going running right all the way back on the tender hooks right away back, and the fires all in underneath, and then there was actually a family lived up above, up on the top 2 stories. It was unbelievable, really, how they lived up there, and all these kippers getting smoked all down below. And then downside was Frank Christian's electric shop. And when the televisions come out first, because nobody had one, he'd have one in the window there, and you'd be fighting to. There was that many of us here, young people here, trying to look into see the television, and then some wise guy would say, "Oh, it's a better picture up in Partington's," and then they would clear off, and then you'd be able to see it there.